Today I'm gonna talk about how to transplant tomatoes seedlings from they've been growing inside in a light, and I wanna transplant them to bigger pots. And I wanna talk about today the stress, because many people use them inside on the grow light, and when you take them outside to the greenhouse, for example, or you take them to your garden, they will die in a couple of days, or will die in the same day. This is what happens when you take them out directly from the growing light to the sun. They will die. They will look like this. This one, what I want to talk about, how to avoid this one today. Even I've been using a commercial light. It's $300. It's Spider Farm. Even with this one, they have a stress. So the first thing, I'm gonna show you the way I transplant them. You gotta come, flip it over. You gotta push it here with the fingers. Add a little bit water. It's really important to add water, so they're coming out easier. Gotta soak them a little bit. Okay. Gotta put the two fingers like this. There you go. It's coming out. Okay. You can see the roots, the white. That's mean they're really good. On the bottom, just a little bit, you punch them. Just a little bit. The reason you do these ones, when you put them to the new soil, they develop roots horizontal. They don't just have one central root. Here, the soil I've been used here, it's a peat moss 70% and 30% perlite. Actually, it's not a soil. It's something just to the root to grow. The reason it is I don't use garden soil or different one for the fungus, because if you have soil, it's possible to grow fungus. So that's why I try to avoid with the seeds. Already got my cups. I make holes on the bottom, and if you guys see, I make couple holes on the sides. I do this one on purpose, so when the root see the air, so basically the root will go horizontal. It won't go just central. That's the purpose. That's the reason I'm doing the holes on the sides. And when I transplant them, I will use totally different soil. This one I bought, it's 707. You can show the back. I bought 707. This is, I will say this, it's expensive. It's like $25 a bag for 3 quarters, but it's the best soil, I will say. So if you see the hair here on the tomatoes, this will be roots. As much as you put deeper, I will say it's better, because the root will be bigger, you have a more success. The way you do it, you put the soil, you press it down really good, so there is no air. You press it really good, shake it, again press it, make sure it's good. Then I will put some water on. Put some water, and then we put more soil. Okay, that's how you transplant them. But so now the plant is ready and it's transplanted. But if you just leave it here, for example, on the greenhouse directly, this plant will die today, because it's been on this light inside in my house. And to avoid these things, you have to avoid these things, you have to put it somewhere, I will say 7 to 14 days on a shade. If you don't put it on a shade, it will die, because the sun is really strong outside. And the way I will place them, the way I will put them, I will just put them here outside on the shade, so they don't struggle with stress. And after 2 weeks, I will just put them over here. And after 2 weeks, I will move them inside in the greenhouse. Thank you so much.